Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Circle Clicker by Yuhang. In their code, we see when I receive blocks and if touching blocks. Click on the following circles. Our next project is Grow the Fish by Advanced Steak. In their code, we see change player size blocks and point towards blocks. Try to grow the fish by eating smaller fish and not getting eaten. This project is MarioKart by Blond softball. Their code shows move blocks and switch to costume blocks. Try to race your car through the course. Our final project is Ball.html. In their JavaScript, we see classes and objects. Try to beat the computer in this Pong remake. Thank you for watching and sign into Tynker.com to create your very own free projects. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media.